Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save all the files from a Telegram chat on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, exporting your chat files is now easier than ever. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can quickly back up your important documents, photos, and more. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as this feature isn't available on mobile. Once you're logged in, head to the chat where you want to export files. This can be a private conversation, a group, or even a channel. Next, look at the top of the chat window and click on the name of the person or group. This will open the contact or group info panel, giving you access to more options and details about the chat. Now, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the info panel. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Export Chat History. This is where the magic happens. A new window will pop up showing you several export options. Here, you can choose exactly what you want to save. Since we're interested in files, make sure to check the box labeled Files. You can also customize the export by setting a date range or file size limit. But if you want everything, just leave the defaults. Once you've made your selections, click the Export button. Telegram will begin preparing your files. For security reasons, the first export may require you to wait up to 24 hours, so don't worry if you see a message about a waiting period. After the wait, repeat these steps and your files will be ready to download. When the export is complete, Telegram will show you a notification. Click Show My Data to open the folder where everything has been saved. You'll find your files neatly organized and ready for use. And that's it. Backing up your Telegram chat files is now a breeze, letting you keep your important data safe and accessible whenever you need it.